Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Or connects choices and options in a sentence for dialogue and thought. Use or to present alternatives that readers must consider. Inclusive or allows one or both options without excluding either choice. Exclusive or signals only one choice is valid and excludes joint options. Show exclusive intent with phrases like either, or button it both. Always match the character voice to the or type and the situation. This clarity prevents confusion in character decision. Punctuation changes how or reads in character speech and narration. Use commas around or in non-restrictive phrases to shape breath and pacing. An em dash before or adds emphasis or signals an abrupt alternate thought. Place or in short sentences to speed dialogue or show tension in voice. In longer sentences, add commas to prevent misreading and to keep alternatives clear. Test aloud to confirm the intended rhythm matches the character and scene. Choose or constructions that match the character tone and emotional state. A formal character uses precise inclusive or uses either to show exclusivity. A casual speaker may use or loosely, relying on context to convey meaning. Provide contextual cues such as consequences, timing, or reactions to clarify intent. Practice writing choices and read them aloud to ensure the spoken result matches the intent. Revise until the character voice and the or usage align naturally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.